Hey people, it's been so long since I have made a video. Today, I'm making video on one of the principles of Montessori. This principle is the principle of giving choice. In Montessori, they say that we should let children make choices because this makes them future ready. This makes them capable of making big decisions in future. But I see parents giving strange choices to their kids. Like, do you want to wear a sweater or not? This is not how you give choices to your kids. Do you want to eat vegetables or not? No. Instead, what you can do is ask your child, do you want to eat broccoli or you want to eat cabbage? Give them choices like this. Give them vegetables. They have to eat vegetable. Don't ask them if you want to eat vegetable or not. They would certainly say no. Or do you want to eat burger or not? Do not give such choices. Instead, just give choices that are appropriate, right? And after giving choices, if the child chooses one of the two, let the child choose it, bear the consequences of the choice. Even when the child doesn't like it, you should not change. You should not say, okay, you're not liking it, so I'm giving you the other one. No, let the child bear the consequence of not choosing broccoli and going with cabbage, even if he doesn't like. But you choose it, darling. You have to go with it, right? You cannot say that, no mama, I don't want to go with it, I want to eat broccoli now. No, you chose cabbage, so you have to eat cabbage. If you chose pink color sweater, you have to wear pink color sweater, even when you know now you want to wear white. So that's how you teach child that every decision that they take has a consequence, and we have to stand by it. We cannot change it. Okay, right now, as you made a choice, you got cabbage, but next time you choose broccoli and then I'll give you broccoli. Okay? So that's how you talk with the child. You gave them appropriate choices. Okay? So that's all for today. I'll meet you in the next video.